Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back to my videos. Guys, I'm going outside today.
I'm going today. I'm not copy you. I'm gonna send my picture. I'm not copy you.
Yes, Sidian. I'm Sidian now, John. Anyway, guys, yeah. I'm doing my hair and then I will leave. No, I'll take you along my preparations. So this is gonna be like a get ready with me for my friend's bridal shower. So excited. Guys, my face before makeup.
I don't wanna lose you. I know I confuse you. When time comes, I need you to ride for me. When time comes, I need you to try for me. With a pointed gun, you said you would die for me. What happened?
I am here. This place looks nice, like old architecture. So pretty. Right, and then I go like this. Guys, I almost thought I got lost. I don't even know if I'm lost or if I'm on the right track. Hey, they have really nice artworks, gosh.
I don't wanna lose you.
That's a HY vlog.
Hi. Hey, the camera is so good.
Yeah.
Listen, Gary. Why all of a sudden it is giving differently?
I think it's the lighting here. It's really nice.
The lighting is nice. It's very warm.
Yeah.
You said you would die for me. What happened to those words? Nowadays you don't check if I breathe. You don't check on me, check on me, check on me. You don't check on me, check on me, check on me. I think if I died, have no one beside me. Cause I can't love you if you don't love me back. Even though I try, I can't do that. Cause you wouldn't do it to me, oh. You wouldn't do it to me. You don't check on me.
Start there. Cindy, kick it. Let's kick it off at that corner. No, MOH. Yes. MOH. The pressure lazima upewe. With grace.
Legs are streaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At the AM that night, under palm tree lights, for the first time I came alive when summer died. I didn't want it to close its eyes on me. I shook off every warning. Sometimes you gotta know when to say goodbye. It didn't hurt at first, singing every word, but when I finally cut through blurry lines, I was horrified. Raining in my room, been that way since June. By the time it dried, I came alive and summer died. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Morning, guys. So it's very early in the morning and YouTube sent some goodies. I've just opened this goodie on Reels, Shorts, TikTok. So I want to also show you guys what I've gotten, but I think I can insert that video right now. I was excited. Hey guys, I just got a package from YouTube. So I did this challenge on YouTube, and for every person who did the challenge, we were getting something. Let's wait and see. I think I was guessing it could be a what? A t-shirt? So let's see if it's a t-shirt. Guys! Oh my god, I'm gonna give you a minute to guess. Have you figured it out? Have you? Hey, guys. It's a fanny pack. Oh my god. Hey. Oh my goodness. But guys. Oh god. I can't believe it. I actually just thought it was gonna be a t-shirt. It's so big. You can fit your phone there, like especially if you're going out. Oh my goodness. Thanks, YouTube. Guys, when you see a challenge, just do it. Just participate. And let me go enjoy my bag. I want to also unbox for YouTube. Bye. Yeah, so I've gotten this fanny pack. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh god, my goodness. Oh god, I'm so happy with this gift. I'm so happy with this gift. I participated in the YouTube Champs Shorts challenge, and for everybody who participated in that challenge, whether you did like 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos during that month, you were getting, no, every week there was even like a leaderboards to just check where you were at. And I used to do so good because around that time I was posting a lot on shorts. And let me tell you guys, so many of my followers, I have gotten them from shorts. So many of my views are from shorts, literally. Sometimes I'm like, maybe I should pay more attention to shorts than long form. But anyway, at the end of the day, I still love doing long form content because it just shows you, I share just my day-to-day normal life. So that's exciting, and I can start this day really well. I'm so excited for the day. Oh my god. Anyway, let me go shower and prep for the day. I'm so excited that I've gotten this. Guys, this is the final look. This is my face, how it looks right now. This is a dress, and then this is my bag, and I'm wearing this jacket and these shoes. Yeah, I wanted something comfortable. Yeah, and then scent of the day. Oh. I just got to the venue. My hair is being blown by the wind. So nice. This is the reception area and the food area and the church. The ceremony is but it's so cute. Let me show you.
Find the ground. I've been growing up for too long. Now it's time to start growing down. The same tunes call out from the radio, but no one seems to mind. All my shoes are right where I left them. The clocks keep ticking time. The world turns but the house stands still. That eastern wind still blows. Growing up and growing down, it's all I.
Hey, guys. Wish I had someone with you. Today I'm gonna have to be social. Or not.
Haya, kwa wale ambao wamekuja kwenye harusi ya Willy.
That's so pretty.
Ni hii. Tafadhali, naomba tafadhali tupatane upande wa kanisa. Tayari wako njiani wanakuja.
Nothing growing there. It's all I really know. Yeah, it's all I really know. This house is all I really know. Well, life ain't long enough.
Elvis, while you're holding the mic for him.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Yes. What?
You whip up my
Yes.
appetite.
What?
Don't leave me
Yes.
here